What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing King Lou from Brawl Stars. Now we're going to get started in the middle of our page and draw two angled lines going up and out for the eyebrows. Leaving a gap in the center. Let's go to the left side, draw a straight angled line going up and then out. Let's line this up on the right and do the same thing, going up and out towards the same height. Now I'm going to round out the inside of the eyebrow, curling this back out. Let's round out the ends, pulling that back in. And we'll close off the top, starting on the left, angle down and in. Now we're going to tuck the eyes in underneath the eyebrow. From the outside, we're going to step in and draw a large circle, going around, down towards the bottom of the eye. Just pull that back up and in underneath the eyebrow. We're also going to tuck the pupils underneath the eyebrow. Starting on the top left, let's draw an oval. Going around, and then back up on the inside, come down, and then up on the right. Let's line up at the bottom edge of the eyes, move to the center and draw in the mouth. We're going to start on the left, curve up, and then down. Let's move to the center of the head just underneath the mouth. We're going to start right here with a point. Now we're going to draw in that large gem. Angle down and out towards left and right. Straight down the sides. And we'll pull that back down and in towards the center. Let's trace this out along the inside. Starting from the top, come down and out. Come down the sides. And pull that back in towards the middle. Now we're going to connect the top and the bottom with a straight line. And we'll connect the ends coming in toward the center piece. Let's draw two circles on the outside of that gem. Starting on the left side, we draw a circle, going around, down, and then up. Do the same thing on the right. And we'll trace those circles along the inside. Now we're going to draw the top edge of the collar. Starting from the top of the circle, curve up, then bend that down. Do the same thing on the right. Going up, and then down. Now on the side, we're going to step up, curve up, and then down. And then we'll work our way around the side and then the bottom. Starting on the left, so curve around, bend that in. I'm just going to pull this straight in behind the side of that circle. Do the same thing on the right. Going up, bending that in, and then come straight in along the side. Let's go to the outside corner of the eyebrows, step up and draw a straight line going across, left to right. And then we'll round up the side of the head, starting back on the left, curve the head going out, down. Just going to pull this in behind the collar. Let's go out to the side and draw on the cheeks. Starting on the left, draw an oval. Coming down, and then up. Let's line this up on the right side. And we'll place the crown on top of the head. From this top point, angle up and out with a straight line on either side. Come down and in with a short line. Come straight in. Now I'm just going to pull this up and in towards the center point. We're going to go a little bit higher in the middle. We're also going to thicken up the edge of the crown. Starting on the top left, draw a short line coming in, and an angle down towards the bottom. Let's add that diamond shape in the center. Start with the point, come down and out towards the left and right. And then come down and in towards the bottom. Now on the sides, we're going to start at the very top. I'm just going to bend this out and then back in. Let's go back down and draw on the side of the body. on the left side, draw a straight line coming down to right about there. The same thing on the right, coming down towards the same height. Now I'm going to round out the corners. Pulling this back in. And then we'll connect the bottoms with a straight line. Let's add some detail to the body. We're going to start right in the center. Start with an angle line coming down and out towards the left and right. Go up and out with a straight line. I'm going to pull this down and in towards the bottom. Into right about there. And close off the bottom with a straight line. Now we're going to go back in and trace this out along the inside. Just leaving a thin trim along the inside of the crown. Now there's an egg sitting on a cushion in the center of that crown. So let's start by drawing an oval. And then on the left side, we're going to curve up and then down, go to the right, and do the same thing. Let's add a thick stripe coming down the center of the body in behind the crown. We're going to start on the inside of that circle, straight down, and then we'll continue that line along the bottom. Let's go to the bottom left of that circle, curve down, and then out. Do the same thing on the right. Let's add a decorative trim along the inside. Starting from the side, go up and down, do another half circle. Do that one more time, going up and out towards the side of the body. And we'll continue working down towards the bottom of the feet. Let's start in the middle, step down, draw a curve from left to right, going up and then down. And then from the center, we're going to curve down and out towards the left and right. Let's flatten off the bottom with a straight line, going out towards the sides. And then we'll round out the side of the pant, starting back on the left, curve out, and then up underneath the body. Let's go back to the inside, draw a straight line coming down towards the heel. And then we'll round out the bottom of the feet. Going back to the left side, curve the foot coming down and then up. And then from the outside, we curve the foot going up. Just going to bend this down, aiming towards the heel. We'll leave a small gap on the inside. Let's go back up towards the bottom corner of the pant and draw a straight line coming down on top of the foot. Now we're going to add some thick stripes coming down the leg. Starting at the top left, curve out, and then down, step over, and draw that 2 more times. Let's line this up on the right, going out and then down. And now we're going to move back up and draw on the arms. Let's start with the shoulders. We're going to start halfway down the side of the body. So starting right here, go up and out with a straight line. Line this up on the right. Do the same thing. And then we'll round out the shoulders, going up and then bending that in behind the collar. And we'll go back to the inside, curve the arm going out and then down towards the wrist. Let's go back to the left side, draw a half circle coming in and then out from the thumb. At the end, we'll add a bracket. Let's draw 3 fingers along the bottom, starting at the bottom of the thumb, and come down, and then the fingers going up around the bracket, step down, curve down, and then up. And then the third finger, we're just going to go out and then up towards the wrist. Let's do the same thing on the right. Coming down, and up. And then the third finger going out towards the side of the wrist. Let's connect the outside of the hand to the inside of the wrist with a curve, coming in and bending that down. And then from the outside, curve out and then up. And now we're going to draw the top of the wristband. Starting on the left, come in and then bend that down. Let's go back to the outside corner of the shoulder, curve the arm going out and then down, aiming towards the outside of the wrist. And now we're going to add some thick stripes across the shoulder. Starting from the top, step in, just going to follow that same curve, going around, step in, and draw that again. Let's do the same thing on the right. Going around and down, go to the side of the body, do that one more time. And that's pretty much it. There's King Lu from Brawl Stars. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.